Want more already dones than to-dos? At Bissell BigGreen Commercial, we get that. Now here's one machine that can help in a big way. The BG10 BigGreen Commercial Deep Cleaning Machine. For professional results done right, done fast, and for a great price. Need twice the force for twice the mess? Rely on the BG10's 2 powerful motors and rotating dirt lifter power brushes, as well as 2 large capacity tanks. With a perfectly calculated flow rate, the BG10 gives you a deep down professional clean and a quick dry. This machine works hard so you can work smart and get done fast. Make fewer stops with the BG10's long reach cord. And with easy portability, get to those spots before they set. The BG10 BigGreen Commercial Deep Cleaning Machine. Professional results, done right, done fast, and for less than you'd expect.